Okay, when you open my code, okay, the Python coding, the first example is a GA, genetic algorithm. This is for maximization problem. Mean if your, okay, for example, your function has a maximum point, okay, you may straight away jump to the last block of the coding. The beginning part is actually when I try to see the output line by line. Okay, you can jump to the last part. Okay, this is actually okay, to maximize or find the maximum point of 20 plus 5x minus x squared. 20 plus 5x. Okay, I plot. Okay, okay, for you to see, plot 20 plus 5 times x, 20 plus 5x minus x squared, minus x squared. Let's say x equal negative 5 until 5. You see against, okay, this function has a maximum value, So okay, that's why maximize. You want to maximize it. So you see, okay, the coding here, maximize the fitness score, best solution IDX, okay, numpy arg maximize, okay, maximize fitness score. So you just need to change your assignment question. Just change the function for question one. Question one is just change the function here and then you run it. Man, too many. Okay, so when you have my coding, actually you can go to save a copy in Drive. If I create copy one, okay, copy of, and then it's actually you will create, okay, you go to your Google Drive, and then my Drive, if you save, you create a collapsed notebooks, and you see copy of, when you create a copy there, just now, copy of GA maximum example one variable dot ipynb here. Then you just need to chain to any function, the chain to any function. Then you run it. This is run one by one. So it give you the maximum point of x is 2.5, which give the fx 26.25. 26.25. Okay, and then if you want to since this is maximum, okay, the function consists of maximum value, so you can either find the maximum point. If I want to find the root, okay, if I want to find the root here, so mean I need to make the function, I need to plot the absolute function. Mean take the absolute value for these functions. Right. So now the function consists of the positive value only. Then you minimize it. You minimize this absolute function. Then minimize, so mean the minimum value will be 0. Then you can get what's the x value there. Okay. And then if you want to use the same coding here, mean you want to use the same coding, you'll see that you need to change this one arg max to min, maximum to minimum, and then the functions here you change to abs value as well. I give you ga root example 1. Ga root example 1, you see here. Minimum, this is a minimum value, this is arg minimum, okay, minimum value, and then this is a absolute value of 20 plus 5x minus x squared, minus x squared. Okay, and then if your function already contain the minimum value, then you don't have the absolute value lah. let's say you have the function, maybe you have the function, what's the function? Let's say plot one function, x squared uh, plus 2 times plus 5. See whether you got the okay. This function has a minimum value, x squared plus 2x minus 5. Sorry. Then you just change this thing. Okay, or okay, where's the function? X squared plus 2x minus 5. X plus 2x minus 5. Then click here to run to execute this block of the code. Oh, because yeah, the errors here. So x squared, what is the value that obtained? So x is a negative 1.18, negative 1.18 here. Y about near to negative 6, yeah. So mean if the function consists of the minimum point, okay, minimum point, the fitness here is minimum, arg minimum, okay, and then this is okay, the functions, okay. If the function originally contain of the maximum value, but I want to find the root, then I need to take the absolute, okay, value, and then I will do here this part, okay, numpy argument minimum, this is a minimum, okay. If maximum, then if the function contain a maximum value, this arg max, this is maximum, okay. The rest, okay, okay, you no need to touch, okay. You may vary the population size, number of generation, mutation rate, crossover rate, okay. And this is how you initialize the population, perform selection based on the fitness score, perform the, okay, 1 point crossover, perform mutation. All here are the, okay, mean the function. And this is a main loop of the GA for generation in the range of number of generation. We find the fitness score. Fitness score, we need the objective function. Okay, this is the objective function. Okay, either you okay, the function, or you want to take the absolute value, and then after get the fitness score, we'll select the parent, we do the crossover, we do the mutation, and then replace the least fit individual with the new offspring. Okay, after you run out for, okay, this case I think 100 generation, okay, you get the best solution. So you get the best solution, IDX is the numpy argument minimum, because if you want to get the minimization problem, okay, and then the fitness, the best, the solution is here. Best solution is the population with the best solution IDX, okay, and then best fitness, minimum value of the best fitness is the function value is a minimum of the fitness score. Okay, with this I hope you can solve for your assignment question. Okay, first is finding the maximum point, another one find the root, okay, uh, and then this one you got 4 variables, okay. So thank you for your for watching this video.